In this lecture we will see another way in which we can test server calls, but this time with a fake server. And a popular choice in this direction is a library called Mock Service Worker or MSW. If we look right here, it will be just as a simple Node.js HTTP server. First of all, in order to use it, let's install it. So we need to install it as a development dependency. I will call npm install as a development dependency MSW. And the situation is just as before. We are making an HTTP call with Axios from inside our data service. And what we want to do inside the test, we want to somehow our Axios library, we want it to receive our two made up comments initially. So the library is installed. Very important point I forgot to mention. Currently, as I'm recording this, MSW or I wasn't able to make it to work with Jest. So this lecture will be available only if you use Vitest. If you are using Jest and you somehow made it possible to use MSW, please let me know inside the Q&A section. I'm really curious. These problems are documented inside the MSW issues page. Currently, or as I'm recording this, it doesn't work with Jest. Well, the parenthesis is closed. What we want to do after we have installed MSW, inside the test, we want to, first of all, import it, of course. So from MSW, we need to import an HTTP response and an HTTP. Also, we need to install the setup server. And we will simply set up an HTTP server just like a regular Node.js server. So let's save a reference right here. I will say const server, and we can call this setup server. And we want to mock the get method. We want to mock the get method from the URL. Let's see our URL. This is our URL /comments. But as you see inside our implementation, this is a dynamic implementation because after the comments we are passing dynamically the ID of the comment that we want. We can implement this by using a star. And this is a callback, and right here we will simply return what we want to return. So I will say right here, return our HTTP response.json, and inside the JSON we want to pass our some comments. Let me look at the data service. Yes, it looks all right. And basically we have set up the server. We need to implement some hooks in order for the tests to work. So I will call before all. So before all, we want to set up our server. We want to start our server before all, and we can start our server with the listen method. This is once before all the tests. Then after all, after we are done with all our tests, we want to close our server. So I will call server.close, and after each test we want to somehow refresh the server, and we can do this with the method server reset handlers like this. And at this point our test should work. Let me save this and let me execute this test. And yes, with this implementation also we are green, so this test works just fine with MSW. At this point we don't have any mock or spy. We simply have set up a HTTP server that will run while our tests are executing. If you want my opinion on what's the better solution, by writing mocks or by using MSW, since MSW doesn't work with Jest, of course I prefer the other option for mocking, but also with Vitest I also prefer the mocking part because we don't have to install and configure a different dependency. But the choice is completely yours. You can write your tests in whatever way you prefer.